Hey, it's Monday, July 24th, just following up on Tesla. You can see here it's continuing to move up nicely again to the upside. Again, I bought those 250 calls at 12.55. I scaled out at 14 to set up a no-risk trade. They're up to 15.60 right now, 15.70 on the ask. So really nice trade here on Tesla, all kinds of ways to, take profits, set up a no-risk trade, do no worse than break even. But for now, what I like is we kind of came up here, paused a little bit orderly, and now we're continuing higher on the daily chart. We're now kind of getting to the halfway point of that prior day. Let me see if I have it on. Let me type it in here on this other chart, just to really show you the daily chart here. Now looks like it has that potential to get the outside day to the upside. We kind of started lower here, took out we're just at the midway point of that bar. You're kind of eyeballing it. It looks good. So that could be an outside day all the way up to that 268 area. We'll just kind of watch structure unfold. But this was an idea where, on the weekly chart, we had broadening action from last week. We kind of just had a 3-bar, but that usually just means, choppiness up and down in that kind of time frame. So now we started below that week, early on, and we immediately started up, so we can be coming all the way back through the range. So on the daily chart, higher highs here, a little bit of lower lows, but this is starting out with structure to the upside. So let's see if we get to that outside bar to take out the 268 area, then work back into this gap, 280, all the way back up to the 300. Maybe we're just getting lower lows and then eventually higher highs kind of thing. So we'll see if that unfolds on the 15-minute chart. Again, it was a nice start, buying it up, breakout of bar number 3 here after this bar number 2 pause, kind of looking for this potential reversal day. And now that we had the move up, pause, second move up, looks like we've got to the halfway point of that bar. So until proven otherwise, I'm going to look for that target to an outside day to the upside here in that 268 area, but it's moving nicely higher here. Options almost up to 16. Again, bought those at 12.55. So Tesla moving up nicely. Looks like we have the potential outside day to the upside, and maybe even a much bigger picture reversal all the way back up to its all-time highs, and well, not all-time highs, but at least most recent highs near 300. And if that happens, as long as we have this open of the week here staying green, we could be heading up all week long. That's kind of a key reference point, but we'll just have to let price action lead the way. But so far, 15-minute chart moving up, nicely after buying it on bar 3.